Hi, how's it going? Today we're gonna be working on an advertising image with these two beautiful Rolex watches. This is the image that we're gonna create, and let's not waste any time and get started. One question that I get asked a lot is, how do I keep this perfectly round shape on the watches? So the answer to that is that I am using this bracelet that goes inside, and it holds the watch in place. I'm also going to be using some sticky putty to help keep the watch in place. This setup was a bit more advanced since it used 7 lights. However, each light has a purpose, and I'm going to walk you through so that you can see what each of these lights are doing. I'm going to be working tethered to my computer so that I can review the images as they come in. Also, I want to see the live view so that I can see my camera's point of view in the computer. I've already made a video explaining how I should tether, so if you want to watch it, you can find it in the link in the description. Before we can start photographing the watches, we need to make sure that they're clean. I always use gloves to touch the watch, and I use a microfiber cloth to clean any smudges or dust that the watch might have. Retouching these things can be very time consuming, so it's better to take the time now to make sure the watch is nice and clean. I've put some props together for this shot, and now I'm just gonna see how I incorporate the watches into this image. I wanna put the second watch propped up over here, so I am using some putty to secure the watch in that position. I think this composition looks really good, so now I'm just gonna try and work on the lighting to highlight these pieces. Diffusers are very important in product photography. I'm gonna use one of these for my first light. I'm gonna try and light the front of the image, and I'm gonna shine a light through this diffuser. So I used a softbox to have a wider spread of the light, and this is illuminating most of the scene, so I think this is my main light. Now that we have that light, I'm gonna add a second light from the top with another diffuser to illuminate the top of the watches. The image is starting to come together, but I'm thinking we need another diffuser on the right side of the image. With this diffuser, I'm gonna shine another light with another 10-degree grid. I think it's looking very nice, but the belt of the rose gold watch needs to be highlighted a little better. I'm gonna use this diffuser to try and highlight the belt on the rose gold watch. I'm also gonna use this aperture MC light and shine it through it to try and create some nice gradients on the belt. I'm gonna use another of these diffusers and put it on the other side of the watch to highlight the belt on the other side. The lighting is almost done. I'm just gonna add one more light from behind to add some contrast and shadow to the image. I'm just gonna play around with the positioning of the lights a little bit to highlight the right parts of the watch. I just decided to add one more aperture MC to highlight the white gold watch. I'm gonna run you through this setup so that you can see all the lighting that I used. Now that I'm happy with my lighting, I'm gonna focus stack this image. If you don't know how to focus stack, I've already made a video explaining how to do this. But for this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. The crowns were pushed in Photoshop and the dust was cleaned up. Now all that we have left to do is replace the background. The background was selected in Photoshop using the pen tool. After that, I created a layer mask on the main image that reveals the bottom layer, where I placed the new background for the photo. Alright, that's a wrap guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, and if you want to keep seeing content like this, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Thanks and bye.